Gentlemen, I am a man of my word. A few weeks ago, I tossed out an offer. I said, yo, if we can get to 10,000 thumbs up on a video within 24 hours, I would finally unlock the mystery and teach you how to spin jump like a gent. Well, you held up your end of the bargain, and so today we spin, jump like a gentleman. But here's the deal. I've been putting off doing this video really because I haven't been sure that you're ready for this. I teach you a lot of things, like how to look good, how to get those spicy senoritas and all that good stuff, but the spin jump is a move that's so incredibly powerful that if it ends up in the wrong hands, it could be disastrous. And so if you're up for it, I need you to take the AaronMarino spin jump pledge that states, I will not use the spin jump for evil, only for good. I will only break it out when the time is right and the senorita is the spiciest. Because one thing that most people don't realize is that the spin jump actually releases natural testosterone. The spinning motion disperses this testosterone. So your masculinity is all out there and women are powerless. Take the pledge. Give this video a thumbs up. Right now, thumbs up to let me know you're ready, because if not, I can't go on. I'll wait. You good? Thumbs up? You ready? I'm about to drop some serious AaronMarino knowledge on you. Spin jump. Let's do this. Clear your mind. A few deep breaths, yes. In through the nose, out through the mouth, yes. In, out, all right, you're clear. You're ready. Your mind is focused. In your head, you're Brian Boitano. You're ready. So before I show you this, I gotta change my shirt. I'm getting pec sweat. Showtime. Okay, so a spin jump, right? It's all about a quick movement, right? You can't be all just like lumbering and do like some sloppy turn. That is not sexy at all. And it's definitely going to misrepresent what I'm about to teach you. It's all about tight motion, right? When you jump, it's a spinning motion. One arm goes in front of the other in the back. Your feet are moving super quick. Ready? I'm going to demonstrate. Ready? You're here and boom. See that perfect foot placement? It's all about alignment. Foot position is critical. Watch again. Spin jump. Boom. Watch again. Watch my feet. It's all about proper foot positioning. All right, on the landing. Here, you're neutral, and then spin jump. Boom. Right there. 45-degree angle, right? And when you plant with authority. Now let's put it all together. Boom. What? 45 degrees, plant with authority, you're the man. A gentle man, that's actually how a gentle man does a spin jump. It's not bad, right? It'll get you by in a pinch. It's not how I do mine, right? I do my spin jumps like a sexy, stylish ninja. Would you like to see? You ready? I'll teach. Did you thumbs up? All right. I'll teach you. So if you're somebody who's not satisfied with regular average spin jumps, want to take your spin jump game to the next level, all the steps are the same except the final one. Ready? I'm going to show you. Here it is. Ready? Here you go. And you spin jump, plant, you're good, and then you apply Tiege Hanley. Tiege Hanley, the most incredible skincare system in the history of skin. If I've said it once, I've probably said it 5, maybe 600 times. Guys, it doesn't get any better in terms of a simplified skincare solution than Tiege Hanley, right? Say it with me. Tiege Hanley. What rhymes with Hanley? Manly. Alpha, men don't take care of their skin. They don't need to. You're right. Ugly men don't need to take care of their skin. If you're cool looking like you got hit in the face with a bag of nickels, I'm cool with it too. But for me, I want to look amazing. I want my skin to glow. I want it to be radiating handsomeness. And the only way you can do that is if you take care of it. Guys, it doesn't take a whole bunch of products. It takes 4 basic products. You need to wash your face twice a day, exfoliate twice a week, moisturize morning and night. And that is exactly what you get in the Tiege Hanley Level 1 system. If you want to take your skincare game to the next level, maybe you're a little older and you're worried about those little fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, bags under your eyes, go Level 2 or Level 3 for the ultimate in anti-aging. There are 2 things you need to know before you try Tiege Hanley. Number 1, our products are ridiculously incredible in terms of quality. Doesn't get any better than Tiege Hanley. You're gonna see results. They work. Number 2 is the price. It's stupid affordable. Like literally, it's stupid. We should be charging more, but we wanted to make sure that it was affordable so that more people would try it, use it, and love it. There's a link below along with the discount code SPINJUMP25 to get 25% off your first system. Gentlemen, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and this tutorial on how to spin jump like a gentleman. But remember, you took the pledge not to use the spin jump for evil. You got to use it responsibly because this is magic.